So if you're anything like me, your baby is addicted to climbing the stairs. So I had to get a baby gate. This right here is the Easy Baby retractable baby gate. It is mesh. It has a lock over here, so when you don't want anybody coming in and out, it won't move when it's locked. But you come back over here, you push down and twist, and it's unlocked, and one hand operation, and it rolls up just like those old blinds do. When it's closed, you can do one-handed operation, and you just put it into the clips here. It's clipped in, and you come over here and just push down, and it's locked. And I mean, you really would have to pull on it to get it unlocked. And I mean, my dog and my kid leans up against this thing. I'm pretty much fully leaning up against it right now, and it's not going anywhere as long as you have it attached pretty good. Speaking of attachments, it comes with spacers if you need them for the wall, and with all the hardware you need to attach it to the wall. So there's going to be 2 spots where you have to attach it to the wall. I can actually show you. I'll unlock it real quick. Push it in. You can actually come down here and pull it off the wall if you wanted to. So it comes off the wall. You have to push that button. It comes off pretty easy if you want, but if you want to bring it back in, you just put it in these notches, and it clicks in. Ready to go again. So it works good for my purposes.